kita list drinks.
Dapat na nasa ako. Sabi mo, Jay, pag-ready ka naman magkuha.
Jason's putting props.
Ang yayabang!
The prop.
Ang superstar food.
Yung mga tao.
We are. Well, Shanna technically
Food
is.
vloggers!
Shanna's definitely a vlogger.
Yan, yung may ilaw lang.
Ano to? Yappytrip, food trip!
I'm hosted the lighting.
Get it?
Dito naman akong video. Alam mo, natatawa taga ako sa ginagawa natin. Seryoso yung mumukhaan.
Let me taste your dates.
Right there.
Looks like prunes.
The date's dried up.
They're too late.
Seryoso ni Jason, no? Grabe ah.
Natin mo ba ito, Jay?
Hey, bibigyan ko kay Ate.
Alam mo, comedy tong vlog na to.
So I got a Mrs. Coco. Technically, they call it a rose cappuccino. So signature cappuccino with rose petals on top, whipped cream, and top with 24 karat gold sheets. Also, it comes with a signature truffle brownie. Let's try it.
Prepared?
Wow, he was prepared. I was stuck. I was like, Shanna, don't put me talking about mine on there, okay? Jason's the good one at the vlogging.
So how does it taste?
It tastes like coffee.
With a hint of rose, right? Like how does it smell? Smells like roses, right?
Ayoko na magkunwari. Hindi. Amoy ano, it's like...
Shanna, are you gonna
Amoy mo. Smell it, smell it.
Ang bilis nilang kainin.
It tastes very good. It's delicious.
Peke mo. Yung totoo, pinopromote natin to mababan ka.
No, it tastes like it does taste like roses, but it's not fresh roses. Because I know how roses smell because I get her roses a lot.
Baka ibang flower ang iniisip niya.
Wow, the brownie and the roses.
The dry dates.
Well, that's what it is.
It's like roses that's been dead a week.
Because it's green like dried.
Sige nga, get a
Yeah,
gulp.
dried leaves.
Drink, ano.
Because that's what they use.
But
Get-
when I
get a
read up
gulp.
on it, it says edible roses. Not
Yeah.
rose
Sige nga,
petals.
tikman mo nga isang piraso. Pick it. Yeah, pick the
pick.
the rose.
The reaction doesn't know. It's like
It's edible.
Kasi kami kumain.
Puro ice.
Hey, Kuya,
Ordered the unicorn.
Kuya Bon, what is... Kuya Bon. Kuya Bon.
He ordered
I ordered a unicorn cafe.
latte.
Part
Part two.
two. I ordered a unicorn latte. It's really, really good, guys. You wanna taste it? brings me back to my home in Philippines, where I grew up.
In the unicorn.
In the unicorn land, where we grow we call them estrero. It's a cool place. It's like bungalow living on the top of the water.
Spiel.
Spiel.
Spill the milk.
Spill the milk.
Spill.
You want me to try? Just try it.
Yeah.
Sabi nila, yung mga tao nagbabayad daw ng mga bungalow over water. What does it remind you of? What does it remind
How does it taste?
It tastes like rich. No, it tastes strawberry vanilla.
Alright, now you have to try the gold.
My first time eating gold.
Why you had gold before? On a cupcake.
Yeah, it's very good.
It melts in your mouth.
It melts in your mouth, yeah.
Don't be careful, okay?
Naku, ito rin na. Tingnan mo siya. Nagana na sa inyo. Oh my gulay. Tingnan mo mga ginagawa na matatanda. Pipipicturean niya na rin yung pagkain niya.
What the adults do, they do.
Yeah, that's the voice. Okay, good. Good Instagram.
Say thank you.